Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to punch needle. Punch needling is kind of like cross stitch, but for those of you who like cross stitch, but it's a little different. So I got mine in a punch needle kit. I bought it on Zulily, but most of the time you can buy them in like craft stores and stuff. So here's what should be in your kit. A cloth and a hoop. You can see I've already started on it. This is what your stitches should look like. I already put the cloth on the hoop too. It should have your design already drawn on it, but you might have to draw it in some cases. A needle that looks kind of like this. Some yarn. If I have more than one yarn, it came in like a little bag. Or your needle could look like this. It should also come with a little metal string thingy. And also, this doesn't come in the kit, but you should also keep some scissors around. Most kits also have a picture of what your design will look like. So let's thread the needle. Get your little metal or plastic stick, put it down in the needle. There should be a little hook at the end. Grab some yarn and stick it on or in the hoop. Now, pull the hoop back up. There should be a little bit sticking out at the top, and pull it back up. If it comes undone, just pull your yarn back out and try again. So don't pull the stick off yet once it's at the top. Stick it through the little hole. Once again, if your hoop comes undone, stick your yarn back on there. And then pull it through the little hole at the top. And you threaded your needle. Okay. Now grab this thing. So grab your cloth thing. Mine says that pink goes at the bottom. I've already put some on. So just to start, just punch your needle through it like this, and then pull it out, the excess string. And then just pull it back out. Make sure you grab this string. And then you punch it back in again. Grab the yarn. Now, and then you pull it back out. Now make sure to grab the little stitches on your first few because they could come loose. So I'm going to grab it. And then just keep doing that again and again until you finish. Now when you do finish, which I'm obviously not finished with this section, just get your scissors and cut it off right here, and then just pull it out, and then pull out your needle, and then you finish. Okay. And you make sure to cut off the extra string. Okay. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.